Welcome back to Mr. Engineer. Today we're watching tons of steel meet tons of bad decisions. The result? Truck fails you'll never forget. Behind every driver is a beast of steel, begging respect. It's a dance between man and machine, and you can feel every vibration through the screen. The real MVP here isn't the Subaru, it's the driver's nerve. You try looking in your mirror and seeing that much metal chained to your bumper without breaking a sweat. When you lose a wheel at highway speed, your steering geometry goes from factory spec to good luck real quick. This guy, he's riding pure momentum and blind faith right now. The twist lock on the rear right wasn't released, so when the crane lifted the container, it took the truck along for the ride. Classic example of why pre-lift checks are non-negotiable. Takes more skill to climb out of a mess gracefully than to dig the hole in the first place. Most operators never learn that part. That moment when the trailer starts rolling, you've got just enough time to think, this is going to be expensive, Salmain, before you hear the crunch.
Давай, проходим. Пойдет.
It's a clear reminder that cutting corners with safety and proper gear can lead to extremely dangerous situations, even if nobody got seriously hurt this time. Lesson learned: if you're carrying more than the scale can handle, maybe skip the weigh station and head straight to the repair shop.
Таксист идет. Ёбаный в рот!
And here we have the rare Moscow drive-thru. Today's special, crushed taxi served fresh off the crane hook. Precision loading on a rail car requires balance, traction, and a steady throttle. This operator's got all three, making it look easier than it actually is. Winter road or frozen river doesn't matter. Kamaz takes it head on, shattering ice like it owes him money.
Давай.
plan was to move the truck. The result? A free demonstration on how to separate a cab from a chassis in under 5 seconds. Snow up to the axles, ice under the tires, and wind that'll freeze your coffee mid-air. Just another day for the morale, hauling Cam-Az iron back onto the so-called road. This wasn't an accident, it was a physics demonstration. Heavy load, far out front, no outriggers, center of gravity shifts, and here comes the tip-over tango. Two steel titans face off, the B-14 and the Caterpillar D7R2. Blades clash, tracks bite into the earth, and the ground itself trembles. This isn't just a push, it's a battle for dominance. Dredging the Panama Canal expansion demands high-capacity cutter suction dredgers with precision GPS positioning. Sediment removal is calculated to millimeters, ensuring navigational depth while minimizing turbidity. It's engineering on a continental scale. The car lived to drive another day, but I bet the train driver's heart rate just set a new personal record. Where there is a will, there is a way. Just make sure you don't forget safety. I've seen mud eat smaller machines whole, but this beast, it just walked out like it was late for dinner. That's the thing about incidents. They love showing up uninvited. Otherwise, they'd just be on the schedule. With its power tilt system and standard bucket, the A91 uses variable leg positioning to maintain stability on extreme gradients, allowing it to dig and grade where conventional excavators would tip. They were moving aircraft parts but forgot the most important pre-flight check: clearance height. When you're hauling a crane for demolition work, you're basically moving the fist before the punch. This 3-bed 5 low loader keeps the center of gravity down where it belongs. while the heavy-duty tractor up front delivers the muscle. It's a reminder that in heavy haulage, stability isn't optional. It's survival. If there was an Olympic event for ramming speed, this guy's taking home the gold. Snow had it locked down tight, but one good tug from that excavator in the Dodge popped free like a cork out of a champagne bottle. If concrete could laugh, this drum would be cackling all the way down the road. Some folks tiptoe down a ramp. The DX120, he just strolls down like it owns the place. Gravity doesn't care how good you are with a loader. Miss your footing, and she'll give you a one-way ticket downhill. In seconds, the crane boom snaps, folding like a broken spine. The drilling rig crashes down. Installation turns into disaster. As it moves, heads turn. The Big Bud 747 doesn't just pass by. It announces itself with every rumble of its colossal heart. When the tide won't cooperate, call in the heavy iron. The dozer's grip makes the shoreline look like a dirt road. There is nothing more powerful than water in the world. It has the power to cut a diamond. super workers, this isn't just a burnout, it's a declaration of mechanical rebellion. Wind turbine blade transport is where heavy haul meets fine art. The equipment might be massive, but the movements are as delicate as threading a needle. One wrong move and this thing's going to be a very expensive lawn ornament. Who needs a stunt show when your tractor turns feeding time into an extreme sport? A textbook roadside recovery. Assess, anchor, and inch it back to safety. Sure, the forklift operator dropped it. But hey, free beer delivery service right into your arms. So stronger. Some people build sandcastles at the beach. Northern California builds truck roads with a D7E. Same vibe, just 40 tons heavier and slightly less cute. You don't get a second chance when 20 tons go sideways. Respect the machine, learn the lesson, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe to MR Engineer.